Hello kids, how are you doing today? I hope आप अपना अच्छे से ध्यान रख रहे हैं. Welcome to Numeracy Skillbook and Workbook from Learn Forward. Hi kids, feather cap. Let's start the new chapter. Numbers and number names. हमने मैथ्स में numbers पढ़े हैं ना? We'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. आज हम उनकी spellings पढ़ेंगे जिन्हें कहते हैं number names. So let's start. ONE1, one car. TWO2, two rats. THREE3, three bags. FOUR4, four cats. FIVE5, five pencils. SIS6, six candles. SEVEN, seven donuts. EIGHT8, eight books. NINE9, nine stars. TEN10, 10 buttons. So these are the spellings of the number names. Let's repeat. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10. Right? Let's do the exercise. Match the number with their correct number names. So, for example, this is 5. 5 is matched with FIVE 5. This is ONE1. Where is number 1? Let's match. Let's match. ONE1, 1. TWO2, 2. THREE3, 3. FOUR4, 4. FIVE5, it's already matched. SIX6, 6. SEVEN7, 7. EIGHT8, 8. NINE9, 9. TEN10, and where is number 10? This. Okay? Done everyone? Very good. Now let's do the next exercise. Count and write numbers with their number name. Now you have to do it as your homework. I will just write the number. You will write the spellings by your own. Okay, this is one car. You will write 1. These are 2 scooters. You will write number 2. These are 3 bicycles. You will write 3. These are 4 racing cars. You will write 4. These are 5 aeroplanes. You will write number 5. These are 6 donkeys. You will write 6. 7 zebras. 7. 8 frogs. 8. 9. What are these? Crocodiles. 9. 10 bunnies. You will write 10 poos. So you will just write the spelling of it. I'll just write 1, but this is your example. ONE1. Right? You will write on the lines. This is your homework. Till then, what you have to do? Happy learning!